Scalar multiplication. So now let's define scalar multiplication in mathematical terms. If A equals A sub ij is a matrix of order m by n, and C is a scalar, then the matrix CA is the m by n matrix given by CA equals C times A sub ij. So what this is really saying is that you need to distribute C, the scalar, to each element inside the matrix. For example, if we have the scalar 4, I meant to change the color of that. And we are multiplying it by the matrix 2, 5, -3, 0, then we need to distribute that 4 to every element inside of that matrix. So that would be 4 times 2, 4 times 5, 4 times -3, and 4 times 0. And now we just simplify this to become 8, 20, -12, and 0, which gives us our solution. So notice that 4 is the scalar, and this right here is the matrix. So if we're connecting the example to the notation in the formal definition, the scalar would be what the C is referring to over here. See? And then A is what the matrix is what A is referring to over here. And then each little element inside of the matrix would be what A sub ij is referring to. So this just means each element inside the matrix.